Question 22. The table shows the income tax rates for the 2020-2021 financial year. William has a gross annual salary of $84,000. He has allowable tax deductions of $900 for home office equipment and $474 for union fees. William must also pay a Medicare levy of 2% of his taxable income. Calculate the total tax payable by William, including the Medicare levy. The income tax payable and the Medicare levy are based on the taxable income. William's taxable income is equal to his gross salary minus his deductions. So $84,000 minus $900 minus $474 is equal to $82,626. Now the income tax payable is determined by using this row, the row with the asterisk of the tax table, since his taxable income lies between $45,001 and $120,000. And the tax is $5,092 plus 32.5 cents for each dollar over $45,000. Now this can be interpreted as 32.5% of the difference between his taxable income and $45,000. So it can be written like this: $5,092 plus 32.5% multiplied by the difference between his taxable income and $45,000. And that equals $17,320.45. Now the Medicare levy is 2% of his taxable income. So that's equal to 2% multiplied by $82,626, and that equals $1,652.52. And the total tax payable is found by adding this value with this value, so A and B, and that equals $17,320.45 plus $1,652.52, and that equals $18,972.97.